iPhone SE 2020 or iPhone 11, who has a better camera? If you do not constantly take pictures and do not have an Instagram with 1 million subscribers, one 12 megapixel rear camera iPhone SE should be enough for pictures on social networks or for the soul and video. But if you want more photography tools at your disposal, the iPhone 11 has a significantly better camera configuration than the iPhone SE. The iPhone 11 camera is better, it is dual, there is a wide-angle module in night mode. For example, the iPhone 11 has a second wide-angle camera. This means that you can take stunning outdoor shots or creative, more impressive photos at close range. And although both iPhones have 5x digital zoom, which is provided by software, only the iPhone 11 has 2x optical zoom without compromising image quality. The iPhone 11 also has a night mode. It reduces artifacts in the photo in the dark, removes graininess and blurriness of the image. Look at what the night mode in iPhone 11 is capable of. As for the front camera, the iPhone 11 is not only the best selfie camera, because it has more megapixels, 12 megapixels compared to the 7 megapixels iPhone SE. It can capture 4K video, compared to 1080p video on iPhone SE, and record slow motion video. So in the battle of cameras, the iPhone 11 wins. The score is 2-1.